welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Wantable unboxing. I've gotten Wantable a couple times. I've really liked it. I decided that since I've been stuck in the house and I've been doing lots of baking, that I ought to try their active, what they call their active edit, which is all like workout clothes and things like that. I've never gotten one before, but I thought I'm gonna really need a lot of this here and then hopefully in the next couple months, because I'm gonna need to burn off some of this quarantine love. Tell me what you guys have been doing while you've been home. Again, I've been baking a lot, which means eating a lot of white flour. I have been learning to mountain bike, having a growth mindset. It's scary but fun. I did a cross stitch, puzzles, but I'm still working, so I don't have a lot of time. So I'm enjoying time with my family and trying to stay positive. But today I'm doing an unboxing, so let's see what I got. Oh goodness, okay. Here is my bundle, like a little string hanging out there. I don't know how much stuff they sent me, so this is kind of exciting. Okay, it looks like 7 things. That's pretty good. I'll read the note in a minute and look at the prices later. Got my return envelope. All right, let's take a look. Okay, this looks like just a little loose tank top. I'll have to try it on. It is so amazingly soft. It's got some kind of neat back. I'll try it on. It's hard to tell, but it's a strappy tank top. Let's see, by Glyder. Okay, that looks really comfy. Ooh, this is fun. These are just some skinny joggers, which I have identified that I could use more comfy clothes. So I'm not sure I'd work out in this, but we'll see how it fits too. But it's just a really nice stretch cotton. So we'll see how that fits. The next, it looks like some yoga style, these are by Glyder too, yoga style capri leggings. So I tend to work out in these types of things, so this could be amazing. Try that on, see how they fit. Here is a blue, looks like full length legging with just a little bit of crisscross down at the ankle. Yeah, these look longer. They may be, what do they call them, 7/8, something like that, by Colosseum. Yeah, nice fun blue color. Looks like a little warm-up jacket. Pullover, half zip. And no pocket, but it does have like a neat little pattern, or I don't know what that's called, little funness, that's what it is. It's funness at the bottom. So I'll check that out. I wish I had pockets. That's one thing I have identified is I need more layers that have little pockets in them. So if I go for a run, I can put my phone in the pocket. But I do think, maybe let me look, that I don't have any leggings with pockets, and so this might do the trick too. So. Okay, then a tank top, let's see, by Spiritual Gangster, Do All Things with Love, which is so cute. And that looks like a fun exercise shirt. And last but not least is a camo hoodie, which is really cute and fun. Let's see how it fits. And so be gentle, be kind with me putting on leggings on camera. It's not ideal scenario, but we're all just working through it. All right, I'll be right back with the first outfit. Okay, here is the first outfit, and I like it. I put on the navy top, and I think it fits well. It's not too tight, and hopefully it would even get looser. But in Seattle, it often starts out cold and then you warm up, and it's light enough that you could tie around your waist. I don't even think I would get too hot in it. So it's pretty nice, half zip, thumb holes if you like those. All right, let me show you what I have underneath. Okay, so I put on the little Spiritual Gangster tank, and I like it. It's a little bit see-through, but that doesn't really bother me just working out. It's not like anybody's looking anyway. And so, oh, there's a nice thread here. So I like it. I mean, it's just, I'm not putting on any shows when I work out. I think it's good. It'll depend on the price. I think the leggings are great. They're kind of a matte kind of, what's a matte finish? I don't know if that's right, the exact wording, but I think they'll do the trick. And I was thinking, before you guys ask, I work out at Orange Theory, and they've all been closed, and I love it there. And I'd like to say that I've just been doing all the at-home workouts and doing this and doing that, and I have not been doing anything. So I have been active, but not working out. So, so I'm looking forward to the gyms opening back up, and maybe I'll be ready with this outfit. Okay, let me go try on the next one. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I think this tank top is really cute, but I would never wear it for working out, I don't think. It's like spaghetti strap, and the back is so cute, all hung down. You can see like a little cute sports bra. I mean, maybe, I don't know. It seems like a little too showy for my sweating and working hard, but it's cute. It's loose and flowy and comfortable. Like, I mean, it's a cute, if you have like, if you're someone who wears like bralettes, like it'd be cute to wear just normally, not as a workout tank top. I am not. I got to have lots of things secure. I just gotta have metal in it mostly. Keep things under wrap. So, but yeah, I mean, it's really cute. I just don't think I'd probably wear it to work out, but let me know what you think. I think it's a little too much for me. So the pants. So one thing I didn't mention with the last pants, the last leggings, is that they were a good balance between thin, so you're not too hot, but also they didn't feel like they were gonna rip when you pulled them up. So that was good, and I feel like these are the same. They're thin, they're not too thick and woolly kind of, but they didn't feel like I had to be careful pulling them up. And they have the pocket on the side, but they have this design on the bottom, which I'm not a big fan of. I know lots of people are at the ankle, the little crisscross. I don't know. It's not, I don't know if I love it. The color's nice, the blue color, but I don't really dig on the ankle. Do you guys think that look is cute? I don't know. I don't know. It depends on the price too, so if it's a great deal, then I might branch out. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I have another outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, any other time I would get sweatpants or a hoodie, I'd be like, I don't need it. I don't need it. Well, guess what? Right now, I'm like, why am I all out of sweatpants? So, this is really cute, and I'm like, ooh, I could use that. Okay, so this is such a cute hoodie. It doesn't have any pockets, which makes me a little bit sad, but it has a raw hemmed edge, which is kind of fun and stylish. I could totally see you wearing this under a denim jacket, or even like a moto jacket and jeans. Really cute. It's pretty thin, but I don't know. It's not bulky, but it's not ultra thin. And I think it's really cute. And then the joggers are just black joggers. There's nothing super special about them, but they're cute and they're soft and they're comfy. And if they're the right price, I think they will need to go home with me. Wait, I'm already home. I'm always home. All right, let's look at the prices and see what I'm gonna keep. Okay, I think all in all, Wantable did a really good job on this box. I liked everything. It was my style and everything fit great. So now it comes down to prices. I'm on the fence about fitness clothes prices because I hate buying clothes that I'm just gonna sweat in, and it doesn't have to be particularly fancy or fashionable. But I do know that I've bought cheap stuff that fell apart, and I've bought really expensive stuff that I thought was ridiculous, and it looks brand new after a million times I've worn it. So I don't have a good like gauge on how much is too much and how much is too cheap. So let's see what the prices look like and I'll do my best. Okay, the first thing is the camo hoodie and it is $62. I think that's a little spendy for just a hoodie. I think maybe $50, not a huge jump, but yeah, it's by Alternative Appeal. And it's really cute though, but 62? I don't know. You'll have to let me know if you think it's worth it. It seems a little steep to me. Okay, and then Free People Movement, the joggers were really just comfy and casual and great. They were $48. That's not bad. You could probably get them cheaper, but I don't have to go anywhere. And they're right here in my house already. So I'd spend $48 on those. You think it's worth it? Do they look cute enough to spend $48 on them? The capri length black leggings, they are by Glyder and they're $68. I mean, it's cheaper than Lulu or Athleta, more expensive than Target and Old Navy. What do you think? Worth it? They seem like really good quality. I have some, but I just wear them all the time when I'm working out. The quarter zip pullover, the blue pullover. I kind of need something like this. I need kind of more things to warm up in when it's still chilly out and I just get started. And this is $45. I think that's reasonable. $45 for a pullover. And I really like the blue color. And I don't have many blue things, so that would be fun. I would definitely spend that. And the tank, you know, although I said, the black tank, although I said that I wouldn't probably wear it, everyone in my family really liked it. So maybe I need to branch out. It is $44. That's a good price. It's so soft. I just want it to kind of lounge in, my goodness. It's really soft by Glyder. The white tank top, which I could work out like crazy in this, is $48. A little steep for just like a tank, but it's cute and it's here. Oh, why is this so hard? Okay, and then the last thing are these blue Colosseum leggings with the pocket and the cute little back crisscross thing. Again, not typically my style, but it's also fun and different, and maybe I need to be open-minded. Oh my gosh, they're only $45. Like, that seems like a screaming deal to me. Okay, I like everything. So the total is $360, and then I don't remember what, oh, save, if you keep 5 items or more, you get 20% off. So if I got the whole box, this is the whole box, mind you, it's $360, and then subtracting the 20% discount would be minus $72, plus sale tax, minus the styling fee, it'd just be right around $300. I don't need $300 worth of workout clothes, so I'm gonna have to make some tough choices. Dang. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of leaning towards the blue pants because they're a good price. The white tank top because I just would wear it a lot to work out in and I don't have many things like that. And maybe the zip, but what about the black tank? Oh, okay, let me know what you think. I'll put my referral code down below. Give me a thumbs up, hit the bell if you like notifications when I post other videos. And thanks so much for watching. Good luck out there. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.